for your business. Before people know you, you must work for it. Before you will start having customer, you must work. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your friend, your sister. Welcome back again. If you are just in my channel, today is your first day, just visit my channel. My name is Eli. I welcome you to God Send a Preacher channel. Guys, today, don't blame me. Don't be surprised about my face because in Italy, the heat. Oh God, yeah. Especially the city I am, Sicily. It's like oven. Stand. Even though you open your balcony, your window, the heat that even coming out from outside, you will just, how am I going to say? You will just hate yourself. Let me put it that way. Understand? Because the heat is too much. If you can see, there is fire, but the thing is not working. This heat in Sicily is extraordinary. Understand me? If you guys have visited Sicily before, you will know what I'm saying. So for my returning subscribe, I appreciate you all. So I just want to do this video fast because of the heat. You understand, guys? So I appreciate you guys for your support, for always liking my video, for always watching my video, for always sharing my video. May the God in heaven bless you all in Jesus' name. Today video, guys, we will talk about YouTube. As an upcoming YouTuber like me. You know, the other of my video, I said it, but because of the time, I cut it short. Understand? So that's the reason why I say let me do the part 2. As a YouTuber, as a video creator, you create a video, you post the video, you do not see what you are expecting. You understand? Don't give up. Keep pushing. I believe next of your video, you will see. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because I believe last year, for my own way, when I post a video, I will just have just 50 views for a week. 50, 100, understand? Gradually. Now, if I post a video, I will say 300, 400, you understand? I believe it's going on gradually. Also with you, your home will go up gradually. Don't give up. Don't think that you create a time to create a video, to edit the video. If you are a caterer, you create a time to do to shop, to do shopping. I mean, space. Let me say, you take money to buy food stuff, you take a time to cook, to video, you understand? At the end, you are not seeing what you are expecting. Auntie, uncle, please don't give up because YouTube is like, how am I going to put it? It's like a business. Let me put it this way. You understand? You cannot just open a shop for 6 months or a year. Sorry guys, I'm a mother. If you hear the noise, it's my case. You cannot just open a business. You will just say 6 months, a year, you are. It can't possible. You must work for it. Like I said before, the heat is too much. It can't possible. You must work for it before you see what you are looking for your business. Before people know you, you must work for it. Before you will start having customer, you must work for it. Likewise to YouTube, there is no difference. You understand? We need to work hard. We work hard. When you keep on pushing, I believe on a very good day, you will see, in short, you will get more than what you are expect. You understand? Do not think that you just post a video. Even me, sometimes if I just post video for premiere, I will say, God, before one day, let me get 2,000, 3,000. But in Almighty, I will say, God, I bless you because you make it possible. You understand me? We will still give thanks to him. I keep pushing because I believe one day, God will do it. And I believe God will not allow our labor to be in vain because our God is a wonderful God. He don't betray those who believe in him, and he don't frustrate those who call upon him. You understand? So I believe in God that on a very good day, God will let our labor be a successful. You understand me, guys? So don't give up. You understand? As for me, I did here. I said that God said don't grow. When they grow up, they will say, Mommy, this is our channel, so we want to take over. And so said they are still a little kid, little child, or little kids. How am I going to say it? Guys, which one about the two? Little children or little kids or oh God, please guys, I like joke always. They are still a little kids. So when they grow up, they will say, Mommy, this is my channel, so let me take over. So before I will say okay, but as I said, they are still a kid, they are still children or kids or little kids. I'm still there. I'm here. I remain here. So guys, don't think this word that I'm joke, or don't take it as a joke. There is joke, but it's serious. Understand me. So if you are following me, you are watching my video, you know I always joke. All my video, I joke always. Guys, keep positive video. Even though you see 50 views, take it the way you see it. I believe when you post another one, you will see 51 or 60. I believe by God's grace next year, you will see more than this. It's little, gradually, according to English people. Understand? You cannot just lay, even though, how am I going to say it? Even though you are a farmer, you cannot just plant fruits today. You will expect that fruit to be multiply or bring you fruit. You cannot just expect it a month or 2 months. You will take it and you will work for it. How do you want to work for it? You will clear it, you will wet it, and you will make sure you look over the farm, understand, before you will bring something for you. That's the same way YouTube is. Guys, keep pushing, because I believe if you keep pushing, one day you will see more than what you are looking for. What's important, your video matter a lot, and your title and your thumbnail, understand? Let your thumbnail go with your title. Let your title go with your thumbnail. Don't say another thing for title and then say another thing for thumbnail. Understand me? So guys, let us do it right. I believe one day God will answer you. I know most of us think that it's not how they see YouTube. That is how it is. Because one of my girlfriends, sorry guys, is gossip noise. Just concentrate on what I'm saying. One of my girlfriend in Nigeria, I sent my video to her. When she watched my video, she said, my sister, they show her bad for your video. I say, yes. Wow, you don't dey fetch money. Oh. Show me the way. Now they ask you money, you know they give come. I say, guy, all is well. Come here, I put it for YouTube now. He say, we're in Nigeria. I can't afford them. Data, all those kind of things. You understand? I say, come. Don't worry. If you want really to be a YouTuber, you want to come. Don't worry. No matter This week I will pay 5 euro for you. At least 5 euro. It's like 3,000 or 2,000 something for the charge card. He will carry you for 2 days or 3 days. She said yes. I said the following week you will still buy your buy. The next one me go still buy. She say because of network. The reason why I say I want to, sorry guys, it's Precious and Godsend. The reason why I say I want to do that for her so that she will come and pack the same money that I'm packing. So as we are hearing it, YouTuber, they have money, they have this, they have that. I pray that God in heaven will let us get what we are waiting for. So I will end my video here. If, like as I said before, don't give up. Keep pushing. Please. Don't give up. Keep posting. Post this week. If you can able to post 2 times a week, keep posting. You understand? So as a mother, I post every week because it is not easy to be a mother posting video 2 times a week. It's not easy. You understand? So guys, like as I said before, if you just see my video for your first time, thank you. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Turn that notification bell for me so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. For my returning subscribe, I appreciate you guys. May God in heaven bless you for me. See you guys in my next video. Bye.